Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I want to start today's video by saying a very warm welcome to those of you that have come over to my channel after watching my video that Backyard Bullion uploaded on his. So a massive welcome to everyone that has come over after watching that video. Please consider subscribing. I make regular content on precious metals, mainly silver, hence the channel name 365 Days of Silver. And I really enjoy just playing around with silver, talking about different things that are going on in the markets and just having fun with it. I think it's very important to have fun with your investments. If you're not having fun and not enjoying investing, then it becomes very mundane and very boring very quickly. So I really enjoy having fun and talking about my investments, and also I really enjoy engaging with the community. We've got quite a large UK stacking community now. When I started my channel a couple of years ago, there wasn't many UK stacking channels. It was mainly US stacking channels. And over these last couple of years, we've really built a community of UK stacking channels, and it's really great to engage with like-minded people. Now we're going to be unboxing some silver today. I'm going to be using these Backyard Bullion dice to do it. Now, for those of you that are new to the channel, I've actually set myself a goal of having a whole 365 days of no spending. Now, obviously, I have to spend money on bills and things like that, but I'm not buying anything that I don't have to buy. So I'm not buying any impulse purchasing. I'm not adding to any of my investments, and I'm just trying to really cut back on my outgoings. And that is because I want to pay down some credit cards and some loan debt that I built up over the last couple of years. In order to do that, I decided to save up a few of my parcels and deliveries that I picked up in 2023. Now, I've actually numbered them all, and I won't get them all out, but I'll chuck a couple up here so you can see what I mean. But I've basically gone through and I've numbered some of these, well, I've numbered them all with different numbers so that I can stagger these unboxings throughout the course of the next year. And then that means it will keep my spending on silver at bay, whilst also adding to the stack and being able to produce content. So I hope that sounds interesting, and today we're going to be rolling the dice and we're going to be picking one of these parcels to unbox on today's video. So let's roll the dice and see what number we get today. So we've got number 5. Is number 5 still on the list? Yes, it is. So we're going to get rid of number 5 off the list. Probably better to use the actual, there we go. So number 5 is the parcel that we're going to be unboxing on today's video. There we go. Now, I've had these pieces for quite some time now, so I've really forgotten what I've ordered. So it's actually quite interesting and exciting for me as well to see what I'm going to be showcasing today. No messing around, straight down into the box. Look at this, really nicely wrapped. Wow, look at this. I can already see what this is, and I actually completely forgot I'd ordered one of these. Look at that piece. Wow, that has got some weight behind it. Wow. I'm so glad I've unboxed this piece, because the amount of times I've seen pieces like this on Cobra's auction be sold, and I really wanted one, and I couldn't remember if I'd picked up one or not. Absolutely fantastic. I believe this one was purchased from the Silver Forum. That's where I get most of my precious metals from. It's a way of avoiding that 20% VAT that we all have to pay here in the UK. And I'm really excited to have a look how this looks in the hand, because on pictures and videos these look absolutely stunning. Really cool. This has got some real weight to it. 100 grams, which works out about 3.2 troy ounces, I believe, of silver. Really nice thick bar. Look at that, absolutely stunning piece of silver. Wow, what a great piece to add to the stack. Really stunning. Let me see if I've got a display stand that we can pop that on. There we go. Wow, that looks absolutely stunning. What a gorgeous piece. So I'm actually going to wrap the video up there because I don't want this video to be too long. It was more of a introductory video to welcome those of you that have just come over to my channel. Let me know in the comments section what you think of today's unboxing, and like I said, please do consider subscribing if you're new here. Thank you again to those of you that have come over from Backyard Bullion, and thanks very much Backyard Bullion for uploading my video onto your channel. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.